Oh, hey YouTube, didn't see you there. In today's episode of Food Review, we're going to be reviewing the Monster Energy default skin. This is Monster Energy, but the original one. It says Black Ops 4 on the back. And you know me, I'm a pro gamer. Represent. I love target practice. My local elementary school. Going down the range. 110 calories. And 160 milligrams per can. That's not that many. So we're gonna get right into this taste test with my signature Jack Daniel's thing glass here. Okay, default skin Monster Energy. You like that? Smells good. Here, guys. You smell it? Yep. Okay. Okay. Nice, and I like the fizz. Good fizz. Good. Smells. I have no clue. It smells like, yeah, America. We're gonna go for a taste test. Okay, so this is an interesting taste, my friends here. So think of Red Bull, right? But then actually good. And then you got Monster Energy default skin. Not sponsored. But if it were sponsored, you would use code NRA on website.
Twitch.tv/mercmusic.
Twitch.tv/almost Mexican. And then type in exclamation point NRA for free V-Bucks. Also, you'll probably get banned, but as long as you get the V-Bucks, it's okay. Well, thank you guys for watching this episode of Food Review, and I'll see you in the later. And wait, you guys thought I forgot. And don't forget.